Hi friends, and welcome to Shop with Mimi. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here for a while, hello. I hope you're all doing great. Today's video is a Dollar Tree new finds shop with me. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's just jump right into today's video. Hi guys, so I'm at Dollar Tree today and I'm checking out some of the new items. They finally got these exfoliating bath mitts in lavender. They didn't have these the last time I was here. And they also have the exfoliating bath pad in coconut and also in lavender. And they also have the mitt in coconut as well. And we finally got in these 3-piece manicure kits. They have the file, the nail clippers, and the nail scissors. And then they also have it in this one. And then in addition to those, they have the eye masks that match the same pattern in purple. And then they also have these scalp massagers. I absolutely love these. Whoops. And speaking of these, I do change them out because they do get crusty, so I need a new one. So I'll be grabbing that. And then they also come in gray. I also just found this Hard Candy Glitter Vibes eyeshadow palette. Unfortunately, this one here is broken, so I'm hoping to find one that's not. So hopefully we can find that. And then I also found these matchbook nail files. This one is the purple set, and they also have the pink set. And then they also have these hot and cold eye pads that match the same set. These are in purple. And they also have the pink ones here. Also selling these pre-made Mother's Day gift baskets. These will also be really easy to make yourself. They do sell the baskets. You can just buy the items and personalize it for your mom. And they also brought these little cute cups back. I wasn't able to find these for a long time, but it's really nice to finally see them back. And look at that, I found one. It looks like this is the only one left, and it's in perfect condition. So this is called Glitter Vibes, and it has all of these shades in it. It says Glitter Attic, Ice Clean, Too Glamorous, Rise and Shine, Bling Bling, Midnight Magic, Sparkle On, You're Like Really Pretty, Like a Diamond, and pour some glitter on it. These are so pretty. I'm also seeing the Sunday Rain So Clean body mask in charcoal. And this is the first time I'm seeing this little one. I believe these are in like the little sample section of the store. They also have the Pond's Anti-Marks for Natural Color Beauty Cream for normal to dry skin. And then they also have this Pond's. It's a facial foam, clear solutions. And it says it fights 10 oil problems. So if you have oily skin, I would keep an eye out for this one. And then I'm also seeing this Cocoa Glow Vaseline Intense Care with pure cocoa butter. So if you have super dry skin, this is really great. I think I'll be picking one of these up. And also in my cart, I picked up one of these sleep mask sets. I'm planning on putting this in my car. And then I also purchased one of these little pillows that I plan on leaving in my car as well. And of course, the Hard Candy palette. I also have these Buggables, the citronella wristbands for summertime when you want to keep the bugs and the mosquitoes away. These are perfect. I do use these because I swear I am a magnet for bug bites during the summer. So these are perfect to have on hand. I found this Noxzema Classic Clean. It says it's with real eucalyptus extract for a deep cleaning cream wash. So this is a good find. So for traveling, this is my favorite razor to have. It comes in a case and it's very small and compact. I love these. You could just throw them in the case and they stay clean. They don't get any of your items dirty. And the shaver is actually really good. So if you see these, definitely pick it up for traveling. I also found these Arm & Hammer Essential Sensitive Skin Body Wash. This one is unscented with soothing baking soda. So this one is no dyes, no perfume, no parabens. It's a vegan formula. So this is a nice new find. And then they also have this one here that is just a body wash with soothing baking soda. This one is clear water scented, and it doesn't say for sensitive skin, so this one's probably just the regular one, but it's also dye-free, paraben-free, and vegan. So these are really cool finds here. In the mug section, I'm seeing these cute new ones. This one says, "Let your dreams blossom," with a beautiful little truck. This one says, "Coffee is a hug in a mug." That one says, "You're the pineapple of my eye." And then this beautiful lemon one that says, "When life gives you lemons, make lemonade." I love that one. And then they also have this one here. It says, "Be brave and be bold," with a beautiful little cheetah. I love this one. And then they also have "Pets turn a house into a home." And then this one back here that says, "Be kind," with the little bee. These are beautiful. I also found these new decor pieces. They look like they're pieces of crystals, but they're just on a wood back. These are really nice. They have a green one. They also have this blue one. This purple. And a black and white. And then I also found these pieces here. It says, "Love each other." This one says, "Make today amazing." And then they also have this one that says, "Home." I love the little pink flower on this one. I also see these new beautiful gold leafed candle holders. This one has these kind of leaves on them. They're so pretty. And then they also have these kind of leaves. It's really nice. And then they have one more, and it's this one here. They also have these new candles in these cute little jars. This one is Beachside Breeze. They have this white one that is Salted Seagrass, and the purple, which is Ocean Mist. I found these beautiful little pastel pencils here. You get 8 of them for just $1. And they have little encouraging messages on them. This one says, "Be bold and courageous. Believe in yourself. Girl boss. Live your dream. Shine on. Let it go." That one says, "Radiate positivity. And be your own beautiful." I love these. These are so cute. And then I also found these Dixon pencils that are like cheetah pattern, zebra pattern. They have giraffe and also tiger. And then they also have another one here that has like little leaves on it or branches or something. Those are nice. And then they also have these giant pencils. It's called My First Pencil. Or actually, it doesn't say pencil, it says something else, but I don't want to mispronounce that. So those are cute. And then I also see these really cute, they're like those little push pencils, but they have little erasers at top that are little unicorns. So these are really adorable as well. I also just found these weekly planners. It comes in 40 sheets, and it's by Crown Jewels. So up here you write what week it is, and on the weekday you write down what your plans are for that week. You can leave this on your desk. These are really nice. So they have that pattern. They also have this one here. It's kind of a mess here, so I'm trying to figure things out. And then they also have, I already saw that one. Oh, so I guess those are just the only 2 patterns that they have. And then they also have these little notebook stickers, or not stickers, but like they're notepads, and they come in like this little folder. So I love these because you can get to have all different kinds of sizes in the same area, and it velcros shut. They also have these notepads here. This one says chill out. They have another one that says one in a melon, and this one back here that says bless this nest. Super cute. I also found these notebooks. This one was really cute. It's like a tie-dye that says good vibes. And then they also have this one here that says things I can't say during a video call. This is funny to have on hand. They also have one that says zooming, so if you're working from home, this would be a cute one to have. They also have hopes, dreams, and video calls. I love this one. So pretty. I also found these beautiful ceramic cameras. This one's kind of like a vlogging camera. And then they also have this one here that's like a regular photo camera. And these are so cute. Perfect to display on your desk. The garden section, they have these stackable 3-tier planters. So these are really cool. You can purchase them. They come like that, but then you can stack them like this and just stack them as tall as you like and plant whatever you like in all of them. That's really cute. New candles. It says happy birthday and each letter is a candle. I absolutely love these, so I'll be grabbing 2 of these. You just never know when these items are ever going to come back. I also have this new daily shower cleanser by LA's Totally Awesome. I think the bottle kind of reminds me of the Method cleaning supplies. This one here is a fresh scent. So this is for the shower. And that's all the new things that I see at Dollar Tree. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item was, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye-bye.